All right, so you take your bag and you make it look like it's never been used. So you put those pleats back in on the sides, and then you put it on a table and you smooth it out as best you can so that there's like no air. It's as flat as can be. Then you fold it over once in half, fold it over twice, so that it's basically folded into fourths and you have one long strip. Then you cut off the bottom and you cut off the handles at the top. Okay, so then you've just got the one long strip. You fold it in half and you cut in half, and then you fold it in half again and you cut one more time so that you have squares. And then the squares become the loops. You have to test each, ooh, this is a good one. You have to test each loop and make sure that it's strong so that it doesn't break. If it breaks, if it's too thin, you can't use it. And then you, like this one honestly might be too thin, but I'm gonna try it. Then to put them into the PLARN, you make the T, and then you fold one side over the other and pull straight down. This is the hard part. It took me a long time to learn this. Make your T. I'm using my right, folding it into the left side, and then pulling straight down. Make your T, folding my right inside the left, pulling straight down. I'm going to do one more. T, fold inside and down, and then pull tight. Remember, each loop has to be even like this. So you can't have one extra long piece and one short piece looking like this. It has to be even so that it looks like one long piece of plastic yarn.